about the way I came to the industry, I came to the industry through academia at the beginning, right? I was doing my PhD program in Italy, and then I started collaborating with EDA companies, and that's the way I came about. So it's important for me. It's very dear to my, truly dear to my art. Also, I find a lot of innovation is getting developed in academia, so it's very interesting for us to find a partnership with universities. And also there is great talent that we can actually attract to our industry, to the EDA industry.
We've been working with and emphasizing on that quite a bit more with the university program. There are a couple of reasons. One is there are things, for example, everybody talk about machine learning, right? How does that apply to a sophisticated, usually manual step-by-step process in analog design? It's actually not trivial at all. A lot of advancement happening already, a lot of good results on the digital world. On the analog world, people still try to figure this out. And we, obviously has a lot of effort. We'll look into that as well. And this is where the collaboration with universities like UT Austin, like a couple of universities in Taiwan, to help us into a deep research, early stage research area. So that's one thing for sure. The other thing is, working with the university hopefully will get more people interested in understanding what the industry problem is, right? And interested in understanding the impact of what we do to the industry. Hopefully get more people interested in this area.
Working with universities is very important from a Synopsys point of view and from a personal point of view. I enjoy, number one, working with students, from individual students all the way to standing room only tech talks. I really enjoy doing technology talks because I love to connect the Synopsys technology with an application that the students or anyone in the world can really relate to. So I find that fascinating. Second, I've worked with universities in terms of joint research, and that's fundamentally important. When I was with the TCAD group, we did a number of joint research projects with universities, and some of that research is, of course, part of our Synopsys portfolio now, or part of some successful tools in universities. I think it's fantastic.